Okay, it's that time of the year again. You're starting to hand water the garden. And whether it's new plants being put into the garden or filling the watering can up, you've probably had happen what I've had happen. Leaky fittings, wasting water, getting you wet. It's just not right. Surely there's technology available today that has stopped this happening, right? Surely. Well, the good news is there really is. Holman have been incredibly good at reimagining how we use day-to-day products in the garden, reinventing them, and then, through innovation, creating improved versions. And there's no better example than this. This is the Griffin Lock technology. Now, there's all sorts of benefits with this one. Most importantly, the longer tail and sharper barb means that you will not have any leaks at all. There's no hose blow-offs. This is a great way to save water, and it lasts forever. There's this thing called a compression ring with super sharp teeth that delivers the ultimate join, hanging onto the hose, guaranteeing it'll never blow off, no matter what pressure you have at home. Most importantly, this means at the point of joining the tap or connecting the watering gun, there are no leaks. Now, the fittings come in plastic and brass, which is absolutely fantastic. The brass will last for years and years. And then there's the multifunction gun. Multifunction hose guns with thumb control deliver the best possible watering experience. They have the key function settings: the rose for soft watering, the jet for jetting, the flat spray for flat spraying, and the mister. Yes, you know where this is going, right? But the bubble function, well, that's something completely unique to Holman. In fact, they put a patent on it. The first in the world to bubble. Probably my favourite innovation that comes with this gun of all is one that affects us all, whether it be cold water freezing your joints and stopping you being able to turn the gun on and off, or if you've got arthritis in your fingers and they don't move too well. It's this simple little thumb control. It's just a simple push up and you're on. And then, if you want to turn it off, pull it back, it's that easy. With the growing season on us and water being more precious than ever, make sure you fix any leaking fittings, replacing them with superior technology. Technology that saves water, distributes water appropriately to plants the way they need it, and with the ease of thumb control. If you want fittings that are really going to last, technology that really does make a difference when it comes to saving water, then you've got to check out this Holman Griffin Lock system. It really is fantastic. And whilst you're there, make sure you grab yourself one of these multifunction guns. They are absolutely brilliant. There is a function for every purpose in the garden. You know, watering has never been so much fun.